In this video we are going to talk about why dogs cry at night. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. When you have a dog in the house, you should expect some whining from time to time. However, if your dog begins to whine at night for no apparent reason, there may be a problem that requires your attention. There are a variety of reasons why dogs whine at night, and happily, most of them aren't life-threatening. Even if the issue is unlikely to be life-threatening, it's still crucial to figure out what's causing this change in your dog's behavior so you can help solve it. In this video, we'll show you 6 reasons why your dog might be whining at night for no apparent reason. Use this list to help you narrow down the source of your dog's condition and determine what to do next. Number 6. Bloating and other digestive issues. Dogs can become bloated or have upset stomachs as a result of consuming food that is not suitable for them, which could explain why your dog seems to be whining at night for no apparent reason. It is possible that feeding dogs low-quality food or substances that they are sensitive to or allergic to will result in this problem. It is also possible for dogs to acquire bloating as a result of eating too quickly, and they can become quite ill with various digestive-related disorders. If you believe your dog's stomach is hurting, you should consider switching her to a higher quality diet. Make sure to serve her food that is made with simple, natural ingredients that she can readily digest. Aside from that, you might want to experiment with feeding her a pretty bland diet for a few days, consisting primarily of plain boiled chicken and plain cooked white rice. A veterinarian may be able to assist you with this as well, so make an appointment if you suspect stomach pain and digestive difficulties are the source of the problem. Number 5. Boredom. In order to function properly, dogs require a great deal of stimulation, as well as a great deal more activity than the majority of house dogs experience. If you are not exercising your dog for at least 30 minutes every day, it is probable that she is becoming bored with her routine. It is possible for your dog to become bored at night after everyone else in the house has gone to sleep, and she will begin to whine endlessly at strange hours of the day and night for seemingly no obvious reason. In any activity she is engaged in, she is most likely looking to attract attention or to find someone to play with. Depending on her temperament, she may also want to be allowed to run around in the yard at any time of day. Number 4. Pain or other medical problems. The sound of woofing can be heard when a dog is in distress. It's possible that your dog's whimpering is more frequent when she's lying down, because she's experiencing joint pain or another ailment that is related to her current position. This woman's whimpering could be caused by a variety of factors, including breathing difficulties when sleeping, or it could be the result of any number of other problems. Due to the fact that they have health difficulties, it is probable that dogs who are older, or who have chronic illnesses will whine more frequently at night than other dogs. As soon as possible, send your dog to the veterinarian to be examined if she falls into one of these categories, or even if you simply have a sneaking hunch that she could be hurting while she's lying down. It is possible that your dog's midnight whimpering is caused by a variety of other, more benign circumstances, but it is also possible that it is caused by discomfort or sickness in your dog. As a result, you should seek the advice of a veterinarian to ensure that this is not the case before continuing with the diagnosis of the whining behavior. Number 3. Anxiety and separation anxiety. Many dogs develop separation anxiety when they are away from their humans. If your dog begins to whimper as soon as you leave the room, or if she only whines when she is not allowed to sleep in your bed or in the same room as you, it is possible that she is suffering from separation anxiety. Your veterinarian may be able to provide you with some suggestions for behavior training, and he or she may also be able to prescribe medication to help you out with the situation. In addition to other types of anxiety, your dog's midnight whining, which may appear to be without cause, could be caused by other factors. Consider the following scenario. If your dog is scared of thunderstorms, she is likely to whine and hide during thunderstorms, and she may also become aggressive during this time. Number 2. Lack of training. Dogs who are permitted to whine at night throughout their lives will continue to whine as they grow older if they do not receive adequate behavioral training during that time. You should consider the possibility that your dog's lack of training is the only reason he or she is still whining in the middle of the night for seemingly no reason. Consider enrolling your dog in a canine behavior class, so that the two of you can work on this problem collaboratively. As an alternative, you might think about hiring a dog trainer who will focus just on the whining problem and will work with you one-on-one to tackle the problem. In any of these situations, additional training may be necessary. Number 1. Being a puppy. Your dog may also be whining in the middle of the night for no obvious reason, because she is still a puppy at this point. If you compare pups to adult dogs, they whine a lot more, which is very normal. They moan because they miss their mothers and littermates, and they whine because they want you to pay attention to what they are whining about. They whine because they are lonely. While it can be challenging to ignore a whining puppy, and you may feel guilty for doing so, it is critical that you do not react when she whines. The positive reinforcement she receives from this will cause her to feel that she will be rewarded for her whining, which will result in the problem persisting perpetually. Instead, ignore her until she is quiet, and then present her with a treat as a thank you for her excellent behavior. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.